What's up, guys? It's a perfect day today, and I decided to replace the coolant tank, and I'll show you how to do it. It's fairly simple to do, so I'll keep watching. As you probably noticed in my previous video, I got this little hose broken off the coolant tank, so I did go ahead and purchase a brand new coolant tank. This is the number if someone is interested, and I'm gonna replace this coolant tank. And I wanted to I didn't want to drain the whole system, and so I would like to do, I would probably gonna purchase the transfer pump, and I'm gonna kind of pump out the coolant out from this tank, and I'm gonna replace it. So probably the best way to get the transfer pump is the Harbor Freight. So I'm going there, and I'm gonna be back in a moment. Okay, this is our old coolant tank, and we've got two hoses, the little one on the top and the big one here on the bottom. We have a coolant level sensor right here and a little pump right on the side. So technically, usually when you replace the tank, you drain the whole system, you replace the tank, and then you bleed the air from the system. So it's kind of process. I'll try to eject the coolant from the tank only, and I will try to raise this hose above the radiator level so it doesn't spill anything, and we'll see if it's gonna work out or no. So the tank has been held by this 10 mil nut, and from the bottom right there, it simply snaps into like a rubber grommet. So literally you need to unscrew this nut and kind of push, actually not to push, but pull the tank gently out from this grommet. All right, and let me start off by removing this sensor. Twist it counterclockwise about 90 degrees and gently push it down. This is how it looks like. I guess it's magnetic, so there is no, like, it's not submerged in the coolant. There is the I guess there is the magnet inside this area in the tank. So this is how the car gonna find out if there is the low coolant, and simply unsnap the pump. Okay, I'm gonna undo the nut, and I'll show you how to get it out. All right, 10 millimeter nut, and gently pull the tank out. All right. Here's the pump. I'm gonna need two hoses. The top is inlet and the bottom is out. Okay, just needed to pump a couple times so the gravity do its thing by itself. And you can see the level is actually lowering. This is how much coolant I was able to get from there. As you see, it was a little challenging to put this like retainer ring back on the hose because I didn't have like wide enough grips, you know, just to spread it. But yeah, it did turned out okay. And I'm gonna put the sensor back in place. Clicked. Now I'm gonna put the tank back in place, carefully snapping back to this rubber grommet. Okay, I'm gonna not just carefully tighten it, otherwise it may crack. Right. Pump goes back in place. And I'm gonna pour back the coolant. And it's fairly simple procedure. If not this retainer ring, it would be much faster. But anyway, it's done. The coolant looks fairly clean. I'm gonna add some more because probably there are some left in the old tank. And of course I need to reattach the little hose. But before I do that, I need to remove the old broken part from the old tank.
What we do here is go back.
Just a gentle tight. Nothing crazy. And I just got the package delivered. with the one further sway bar links for that Mercedes. Okay, mission completed with the tank replacement, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, since I just got those sway bar links, I decided why not to replace it at once. 17mm socket. The locks are a little rusty, but this high torque Milwaukee impact gun is just perfect. It's like nothing. Take a look on that one. Looks nice. Wow.